Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool feature in Blackboard Ultra tests. So here's my sample test. When I create my tests and quizzes, I like to have my first question being an academic integrity declaration statement. Students need to read it over and type the word understand in the blank. And then in my sample here, I've got question A, question B, and question C. And then usually on my last question, I will have some sort of recap or instructions, like in this case, students need to upload a file at the end of the test. The downside to this setup is that if you want to randomize the questions, you're no longer guaranteed question 1 will be at the beginning or the last question will be at the end. In Ultra, you can get around this problem by adding page breaks. So I'm going to add a page break after my first question and a page break before my last question. I'm going to go up to Settings, and I'll make sure that Randomized Questions has been turned on, and I'm going to hit Save. Now let's look at it from a student's perspective. So here's my test. First question is still where I want it to be at the beginning, and I'm going to type understand in the spot. You can see my progress bar is now moved along. I've got 4 questions remaining. Hit continue. And now remember my questions were A, B, C. Well, now they're in order C, A, B. And if I was to continue to the next page, the last page is my last question, the way I had wanted it. Another neat feature is the Save and Submit buttons here are no longer on the last question as they were in Blackboard previously. They are off to the side separately. So that's a nice new feature in Blackboard Ultra that allows you to still have questions in specific positions, but still randomize the rest of the questions.